you're welcome. Today I'll show you how to make this bag. I used leather base and single crochet around, and then we used single crochet from the left side, I can say, for this texture, and we used leather front flap. I have sewed it, and I use these handles for the backpack. Let's see how to make it. For the backpack with which we're gonna make, we will use leather base, this leather flap, and our yarn is lace acrylic yarn. We will begin with chain all around the base. We'll begin wherever you want, and we will make chains. I use small hook for the holes. Sorry. And we are making chains all around. I have made all chains all around. I have cut my yarn here. I'll use this needle. Inside from the previous chain and to the hole. Then from the next from here and again here, and to the back side. And here we will make knots. I took another yarn from here. I'll make a chain and 2 single crochet. Two single crochet at the next, and 3 single crochet at the corners. We'll make the 3 single crochets only at the corners. These 2 here, here, and here. And I change my hook to the 450. I have crocheted 1 row, and I row 1 more. I crocheted 1 row more. I'm at the second one, and I'll join my row with slip stitch, then chain 1, and we will put our model now. Just for this row we will crochet at the back loop. So we have 2 loops here. We'll take our loops from the left and then put through the first one and chain 1. At the second, take out the hook and take the loops from the left, the first one inside from the second, and chain 1. So we have this type of texture. And if your stitches are too many, you can decrease them by skipping. So I'll skip here 3 or 5 stitches. Every 3 or 5 stitches I'll skip 1. We'll see one more time here from the left side, this one from inside the second, and chain 1. I have finished my 3rd row and I'm at the last stitch. I made the texture, one chain, and I'm not going to join the row, and I'll here and then yarn over and make the same stitch again in this row. So between these 2 lines we made the texture here. Always between these 2 lines. My bag has almost finished. I am at the last row, and I would like to show you again the texture. How can I do that? How am I making? Here. I made the last row. Now I'll make the last stitch. From here, the slip stitch from the left side. Then as a chain we cut our yarn and tighten it, and then we will hide our tail. I have finished my bag. I have sew the front flap here. From inside it looks like this, and the back side here. I sew it from the second row here, and I use this catchers. You can sew this catcher also in the back and not using this catchers. This is our bag. Good luck to anyone who will try it.